How to stop coughing at night naturally. Are you curious about how to stop coughing at night naturally? Then you are in the right place. In this video, I will be showing you how to stop coughing at night naturally. If you are new here, consider subscribing to our channel so that you won't miss other interesting videos like this, and you will also be notified whenever we upload a new video. Everyone has a cough from time to time. In fact, coughing can serve a useful purpose by ridding the lungs of irritants or excess mucus. Coughing may also help remove germs from the lungs and prevent infection. Coughs play a role in clearing irritants and infections from the body, but persistent coughing can be annoying. The best treatment for a cough will depend on its underlying cause. There are many possible causes of coughs, including allergies, infections, and acid reflux. Some natural remedies may help to relieve a cough. However, it is important to remember that the U.S. Food and Drug Administration (FDA) do not monitor herbs and supplements, so people who use them may be at risk of using low-quality products and impurities. People who want to use natural remedies to treat their cough should research sources and brands. They should also be aware that some herbs and supplements can interfere with medications, which may result in unwanted side effects. If a cough is severe or persists for more than a few weeks, it is essential to seek medical advice. So now, I will be giving you natural remedies on how to stop coughing at night. 1. Honey tea. According to some research, honey may relieve coughs. A study on treatments for nighttime coughing in children compared dark honey with the cough-suppressing medication dextromethorphan and with no treatment. The researchers reported that honey provided the most significant relief from coughing, followed by dextromethorphan. Although the benefits of honey over dextromethorphan were small, parents rated honey most favorably of all three interventions. To use honey to treat a cough, mix 2 teaspoons (TSP) with warm water or an herbal tea. Drink this mixture once or twice a day. Do not give honey to children under 1 year of age. 2. Salt water gargle. This simple remedy is one of the most effective for treating a sore throat and wet cough. Salt water reduces phlegm and mucus in the back of the throat, which can lessen the need to cough. Stir half a teaspoon of salt into a cup of warm water until it dissolves. Allow the solution to cool slightly before using it to gargle. Let the mixture sit at the back of the throat for a few moments before spitting it out. Gargle with salt water several times each day until the cough improves. Avoid giving salt water to younger children as they may not be able to gargle properly, and swallowing salt water can be dangerous. 3. Thyme. Thyme has both culinary and medicinal uses and is a common remedy for a cough, a sore throat, bronchitis, and digestive issues. One study found that a cough syrup consisting of thyme and ivy leaves relieved coughing more effectively and more rapidly than a placebo syrup in people with acute bronchitis. Antioxidants in the plant may be responsible for its benefits. To treat coughs using thyme, look for a cough syrup that contains this herb. Alternatively, make thyme tea by adding 2 teaspoons of dried thyme to a cup of hot water. Steep for 10 minutes before straining and drinking. 4. Ginger. Ginger may ease a dry or asthmatic cough, as it has anti-inflammatory properties. It may also relieve nausea and pain. One study suggests that some anti-inflammatory compounds in ginger can relax membranes in the airways, which could reduce coughing. The researchers mainly studied the effects of ginger on human cells and animals, so more research is necessary. Brew up a soothing ginger tea by adding 20 to 40 grams of fresh ginger slices to a cup of hot water. Allow to steep for a few minutes before drinking. Add honey or lemon juice to improve the taste and further soothe the cough. Be aware that, in some cases, ginger tea can cause stomach upset or heartburn. 5. Fluids. Staying hydrated is vital for those with a cough or cold. Research indicates that drinking liquids at room temperature can alleviate a cough, runny nose, and sneezing. However, people with additional symptoms of a cold or flu may benefit from warming up their beverages. The same study reports that hot beverages alleviate even more symptoms, including a sore throat, chills, and fatigue. The symptom relief was immediate and remained for a continued period after finishing the hot beverage. Hot beverages that may be comforting include clear broths. Herbal teas. Decaffeinated black tea. Warm water. Warm fruit juices. 6. Steam. A wet cough, which is one that produces mucus or phlegm, may improve with steam. Take a hot shower or bath and allow the bathroom to fill with steam. Stay in this steam for a few minutes until symptoms subside. Drink a glass of water afterward to cool down and prevent dehydration. Alternatively, make a steam bowl. To do this, fill a large bowl with hot water. Add herbs or essential oils, such as eucalyptus or rosemary, which may also relieve decongestion. Lean over the bowl and place a towel over the head. This traps the steam. Inhale the vapors for 5 minutes. If the steam feels hot on the skin, discontinue until the skin cools down. People with a wet cough or chest congestion may also wish to follow the recommendations of the National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute (NHLBI) and use a cool mist humidifier or steam vaporizer in their home. 7. Marshmallow root. Marshmallow root is an herb that has a long history of use as a treatment for coughs and sore throats. The herb can ease irritation resulting from coughing because of its high mucilage content. Mucilage is a thick, gluey substance that coats the throat. One small study revealed that an herbal cough syrup containing marshmallow root, along with thyme and ivy, effectively relieved coughs resulting from common colds and respiratory tract infections. After 12 days of taking the syrup, 90% of the participants rated its effectiveness as good or very good. Marshmallow root is also available as a dried herb or a bagged tea. Add hot water to either and then drink it immediately or allow it to cool first. The longer the marshmallow root steeps in the water, the more mucilage will be in the drink. Side effects can include stomach upset, but it may be possible to counter this by drinking extra fluids. 8. Bromelain. Pineapples contain bromelain, which may help to treat a cough. Bromelain is an enzyme that comes from pineapples. It is most plentiful in the core of the fruit. Bromelain has anti-inflammatory properties and may also have mucolytic properties, which means that it can break down mucus and remove it from the body. Some people drink pineapple juice daily to reduce mucus in the throat and suppress coughing. However, there may not be enough bromelain in the juice to relieve symptoms. Bromelain supplements are available and may be more effective at relieving a cough. However, it is best to speak with a doctor before trying any new supplements. It is possible to be allergic to bromelain, and this herb can also cause side effects and interact with medications. People who take blood thinners or specific antibiotics should not take bromelain. 9. Onions emit a strong vapor that stops coughing. Many people start to cry the minute they begin chopping up an onion. But the strong vapor an onion emits when cut could help stop coughing, too. Before you go to bed, cut an onion into quarters and leave it on a plate at your bedside. Although using onions may sound like nothing more than an old wives' tale, Russell says it's quite popular in Spain and France, adding that this home remedy for cough is safe for children and babies. 10. Humidity helps break up cough and congestion. If you've ever noticed your cough easing as you enjoy a hot shower or steamy bath, then you know the value of humidity. Humid air reduces irritation and helps to break up some congestion. You can create this cough home remedy in a steamy bathroom or by using a humidifier. Remember to follow manufacturer's directions to clean a humidifier to avoid encouraging mold, which itself can trigger another round of coughing. 11. Orange juice. The key to managing any cough is to make sure you are drinking lots of fluids. Lungs need to be well hydrated in order to minimize formation of mucus. Not only is orange juice a tasty way to hydrate, but it contains a lot of vitamin C. High doses of vitamin C were found to help reduce symptoms, including coughing, in patients with pneumonia in a meta-analysis. 12. Chicken soup. Chicken soup is a time-honored cold remedy in many cultures and for good reason. Not only does it combine several other proven cough remedies, warm water, steam, herbs, salt, fluids, but it may have cough-fighting properties of its own. Chicken soup significantly lowered signs of infection from colds and flus. 13. Almond milk. The idea that eating or drinking dairy products causes increased mucus and coughing is a myth, nor does it worsen a cough from an existing cold. But many people associate dairy with congestion because milk has a similar texture and viscosity to mucus, which can make it feel like it's sticking in your throat. If you have a dry cough and are craving something creamy to coat your throat and ease the scratchiness, but want a thinner texture, almond or coconut milk is a good replacement. 14. Boswellia. This herb, more commonly known as frankincense, has been used for centuries to treat coughs, particularly those that come from inflammation of the lungs or other areas. Its potent anti-inflammatory compounds can help both in soothing a cough and fighting the oral pathogens that can cause them. Dissolving boswellia in hot water and inhaling the steam help reduce coughing from asthma and bronchitis. Stay healthy. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up and click the subscribe button never to miss any updates from us. More amazing secrets and tips will keep coming. Join us on the healthy side of life. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we have handpicked for you to enjoy next. We love you.